Welcome to Principles of Microeconomics. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the course layout and show you how to get started. So, under our welcome screen here, we have our course calendar, the .ics file. You can click and download it and then upload it to your calendar application such as Outlook or iCal, or you can just click the PDF and then it'll come up like this did. And so here you'll see pretty much when everything's going to be due. So September 6th, for example, for this course, September 6th, week 1 starts. So you want to go and do the week 1 assignments, and you see which assignments are going to be due by that Sunday 11:45 p.m. And the next Monday is when week 2 starts, and you see which assignments you'll have due by the end of 11:45 p.m. on that Sunday, and so forth throughout the course. And those week things will make sense to you more once I tell you what the weeks mean. So here under the welcome from your instructor, it goes more into detail of where everything is, basically the words of this introduction video. So the first thing you're probably going to want to do is come over here and click on course documents. In the course documents, you're going to want to click on this overview of assignments to open up this PDF. So in this, it's also going to list for you which assignments you're going to be having on Applia, and then which grade reports you're going to have, and what you're going to have to do for the discussion forum, or what you'll have to post on the discussion boards, and then when you can expect to have to take exams. So basically same thing that the calendar tells you, except all here in a PDF table format. So also in the course documents, you're going to want to click this discussion boards and group projects. That'll download another PDF file. So here, this is going to give you a better idea of what you can expect for the discussion boards, and also tell you about this group report that you'll have later in the semester, and directions on how to go about working on your group project and what to contain in the project and everything, and then what to expect for grading. Alright, next you're going to want to come over here to assignments and left click that. Here under the assignments tab, the course is broken down into 3 different units: Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. So go ahead and click on Unit 1, and we'll see that Unit 1 contains week 1 through 3. So if it's week 1, and that's what you saw on your calendar, just click on the week 1 part, and then you can read which chapters are going to be covered, the objectives of that week, and then find out what you have to do. Again, here, your assignment, so for example, assignment 1 of week 1, your introduction forum, you have to go into the discussion board and just do a brief introduction about who you are and why you're taking the course. But here you'll find more in-depth directions of what to do with each assignment, and more readings, and then the Applia problem sets. So when you buy your textbook, you're also going to have to purchase the Applia card, so that way you can complete all of the quizzes that are on Applia. And you can just go to applia.com to sign in. So under the assignments here in week 1, for example, at the end of week 3, you're going to have an exam. Now, all of the exams in this course, except for the last one, are going to have a proctored portion. So each exam is a part A and a part B. To get to it, you're going to have to come over here to the exams tab on Blackboard, left click that, and here you'll see more details, how you have these 3 exams. You'll need an exam pass that you have to print out and then take to a proctor, or to go to one of the testing centers across the NVCC campuses. Take an ID with you, and you'll need the pass to complete the Part A of Exam 1 and Part A of Exam 2. Part B is on Blackboard and at home, so it's just online, and you do not need a proctor for that portion. But for example, in week 3, you're going to have to complete both Part A and Part B of Exam 1. And then in at the end of Unit 2, you'll have Exam 2, which you'll have to complete Part A and then Part B. And then our third exam here, the APTIA exam, that's online. You do not need a proctor. All right, so if you have any questions throughout the course, you can just click on Faculty Info here, and then you'll see the email and the name of your professor, the email for your professor, if they have any personal links, and a short description about them. To get to the discussion boards, you just go to the Discussion Boards tab on the left, and then you'll see week 1, 2, 4, all the different assignments and everything. So you just click on that and then go into Post. And you'll be able to click on this Group Work tab. This Documents to Review will just give you the same documents as course documents. And you're going to want to click on this Groups. And then you'll be assigned during the semester to one of these groups. So that's the introduction. And again, if you have any questions, just click on this Faculty Info and send an email to your professor. And have fun learning.